Hi everyone, welcome back. In the first lesson, we need to collect our photos. And I got all of these photos. You can find them in the results folder. And I got them from these websites. This one is from Unsplash. This one is from the Pixels. This one is from Pixels. This one is from the Pixels as well. And this is from the PNG IMG. This cloud also is from the PNG IMG. And that's it. We are going to open our first photo, which is the ice cream one. Open with the Photoshop. And first thing we are going to cut out from the background. I'm going to use the object selection tool, which is new in Photoshop 2020. Make sure that the enhance the edges and object subtract is checked. Just select the object and Photoshop will automatically select our object. The selection is not perfect. If you come over here, select object again, press OK. Our selection is very good now, but we still need to refine it. If you get closer, you will see that the selection is not perfect. I'm going to use the lasso tool to refine and include these areas that are not selected. If you want to include an area in the selection, press Shift, you will have the plus button, and carefully select the area that you want to include. Just like this. We included this area. Let's see what else we have. Here we have some of the background have been selected. I'll press on the Alt to have this minus icon on the lasso tool, and just like this select the area to exclude it. Let's go ahead and check where else do we have. Here we have some of the part of the finger hasn't been selected. I will press on the Shift and make my selection like this. And this area we need to exclude this selection. I will press on the Alt or Option, and I will make my selection like this. Let's see the upper side. Here we have some of the part of the ice cream hasn't been included. I'm going to press on the Shift and make my selection like this. And this area we need to exclude it. Press on the Alt or Option and make the selection like this. Now that we refined our selection, I will go ahead and click on the Select and Mask to refine further. Here I'm using the second brush, and I will make sure that nothing from the background is selected. So as you can see, we have some of the white from the background here. I'll just paint on it like this. And the edges are a bit sharp. I need to make them smoother. We will go to the right side menus. And I'm going to increase the radius a bit just to see. Make it 1. And we need to make it smoother. Make it 37. We are good like this. Press OK. Unlock the background and make a mask on it. Just like this, remove the background. Now I will create a new document. Go to File, New, and create a new document. I will name this Ice Cream World. You can name it anything you want. And the size, I'm going to use this one. Make sure you copy them and then create. And now we will go back to our ice cream. I'm going to move this to our new document that we created. And now you will resize it until it fits the document. And now we will try to fit it in our document. Okay, we are good like this, but I think we need to make our document taller. I'm going to use the crop tool for that. Just like this, we increase the size of the document. Okay, double click on it. I know you have some of the gap between the hand and the right side, but you're going to fix that. This is the end of this lesson. In the next lesson, you are going to combine our pictures together.